Something that I would tell students to look for is at Towson we have a lot of ways that students can gain real-world experience. So it's not enough to just listen in a classroom and gain the knowledge. You also have to have some type of experience so that you can kind of do a hands-on. And then we have competitions across campus. They have internships. They have opportunities to do experiential learning. And so our science building is huge now. Our business school has a lot of various ways that we partner with companies so that you have internships. We provide within the business school, it's a requirement for students to have at least one internship before they graduate in their undergraduate program. However, for their graduate program, there is no requirement for an internship, but we really encourage our students to do that. And what's so really, the fact that we have a lot of partnerships with companies in the area, they are always looking for a person to help them out with a project, or can you help us out with an internship? And that allows you to get that real world experience.